watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're doing a makeup challenge with a very special guest. Check it out. Drum roll, please. Everyone asked, what does your mom look like? We're going to do the highlight points of your face, and we're going to do this. We're going to draw it. Like you're a little scary, but you're going to copy me. So she has her concealer on, now she has to put her foundation on.
Oh, the
So
powder?
just, yeah. So show me how you put your powder on.
Can I use a sponge?
Yeah. I prefer you to use a brush.
I don't know how. Can I show you what I do?
Yeah, just do what you do. You do you, boo-boo.
Okay.
But that's very aggressive. Why are you so aggressive with that?
Got into those wrinkles.
No, don't get aggressive with it. You're going to smear around the concealer. No, stop. Whoa. So aggressive. Oh my goodness. That was very aggressive.
I didn't do the top yet.
But you stop. Yeah, no. You're a very angry makeup artist.
Oh, hell
You
no.
apply your makeup very aggressively. That's insane.
I'm in a hurry.
I know, but you're
I don't have time for this.
We're going to use this flat It Cosmetics brush. And don't be so aggressive with your face. My goodness. Remember, we just concealed, so now if you're sitting there going like this, you're spreading all that concealer
Maybe I
out.
shouldn't use powder then.
You really should be using foundation because more mature skin does better with foundations because it has more moisture in it.
I don't like to look.
Actually, powders can make you look more cakey than foundations.
I don't want to look juicy. You know?
You should. Oh my gosh. They make mattifying foundations now.
Oh, I want to.
Yeah,
don't
it's
want to
not.
look.
It's not. It's called luminous. Oh my God, juicy? Really?
Did she just say juicy?
This is every day for us.
Okay, wait a minute.
We're best friends.
I
that's
do
why.
this or I do this. Better show me.
Okay.
I don't want you.
So if you're gonna use powder, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it like that, and then you're just gonna make sure you always get off the excess. You're gonna go in and you're just gonna kind of stipple
Pounce
it in there.
again.
Mm-hmm. Just stipple it in there. Smaller brushes are easier to do it that way. My nieces, the two older ones, their friends call my mom Glamma because she's so glamorous. And we have our GlamFIT t-shirts on. Show Mom our GlamFIT t-shirts. So this is our new company called GlamFIT Collection. Go check out our website.
Am I done?
No, not yet. Let's start setting.
This is what you call baking?
This is what you call baking. I'm going to teach her how to bake, even though she's never going to bake. I'm going to teach you how to Dougie.
But I know how to decorate.
Oh, okay. So make sure if you have any creasing to go back with the Beauty Blender and blend that out.
Not being aggressive, Jesus.
Sorry. So if you're trying to go for like setting your under eye area, I would either go Laura Mercier or the Cover FX. What I like about this Cover FX is it has more moisture in it. This is more mattifying, so if you have dry skin, I don't know if I'd recommend using the Laura Mercier as much. My mom's a little on the frugal side,
Cheap.
aka cheap. She's not going to buy the Stands Out Beauty Sponge
Oh,
for $20.
hell
Can
no.
I
Brenda?
personally, oh yeah,
Anna.
I think setting with the Stands Out Beauty Sponge is better than any sponge on the market. And this one you don't have to dampen. You
don't have to wet that.
you would dip
You
it
don't
in
have
that.
to wet that like this.
No, you don't have to
You
wet
could
it.
use that for the whole thing. If
Yes.
This.
Mm-hmm.
I have to do it.
Yeah. Oh, that's right.
It's turning white.
That's okay. We're gonna dust it off.
One side at a time.
Yeah. Get in on the other side. And
I'm
start
already
start
looking like a
pouncing
ghost.
in the white. What you're doing is you're setting it so that your concealer doesn't separate. So that's why you definitely want to set. Now the longer you bake, the longer it's going to stay. So if you have somewhere to go and you have like a special occasion and you know you're going to be out for a long time, the longer you bake, the better it's going to be. Don't do that with
Dear Lord, help me.
your hands. Watch how I do this. See if I did it, if I stamped it right there.
Oh, that's cool.
Now that eyeshadow is not going to go past that point. So you're going to take this It Cosmetics fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend it in.
Did I get it off?
Let me see. Yeah. I like to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrushed. This actually like diffuses out everything. It's so beautiful. This is number 2. And so what you would do is just kind of, I like to go in with a light brush. All right, so let's go for eyeshadow.
Now I don't get blush.
Concealer. Not yet. Don't touch your face. So it's very tough with her eyelids right now because she has lash extensions on, but I would really like you to try to prime that eye area. What I'm going to have her do is take the Super Coverage Born This Way concealer, and you're going to just, wait, put it on the back of your hand. You're just going to dab it there, okay? I'm just going to have her take this Sigma 3D brush. It's like a concealer brush. You're just going to take it, dab it, and just work around your eyelashes, but you're just creating a nice base.
Underneath the eyebrow too?
Yeah, over the entire eyelid space. Now you could take your beauty blender and just kind of make sure it's nice and set in there, and just pounce it in there and just make sure everything's evened out.
So you have to do it with the wet again?
It's already damp. So this color right here is a good Smashbox, even though you probably wouldn't spend it on the Smashbox either, but I'm giving it to her. So that, I use the middle color in that Kat Von D palette. We're going to take this MAC 239 brush. You can use a bone color, natural color, any kind of color that's light.
Gotta shake it.
Yes, always get the excess off. We're not doing a full glam look, we're just kind of giving a really soft little contoured look on your eyes. We're just going to go in with one shade today, and that's going to be the Hoola Bronzer. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that Morphe 501 and you're going to kind of just dip the tip into it like that, and then don't do too much, and then make sure there's not any excess on there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take that brush and you're just going to blend it in. Look at how much it just blends it for you. You don't really have to do
whole thing?
just the crease all the way into your like nose area. No, don't stipple it. Go like this. Go like this and blend inward. Okay, you're holding your brush wrong, so that's why she's having a hard time. She's holding it like a pencil. You should be holding it at the end and coming in
Like this?
like that and in. No, see, you're holding it like a pencil. Hold it like this. The further down, the lighter hand you are gonna
Further
have.
down.
Yeah,
Well, like an artist.
correct. Just like an artist.
Duh.
Duh. The higher you are up on the brush, the heavier your hand's gonna be.
Yes.
So you have to go lighter, just like an artist. You are correct. Don't stipple it though.
I
Kind
don't
of
know what
roll it
stipple is.
around, and then go in. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. That's an interesting way to do it. So look at me. So you're gonna go here, and then kind of just
Oh, lightly.
lightly, yeah.
Here. Yeah.
But don't do this. This is stippling. So like when I had you doing your face makeup, you stipple like that. That's stippling. This is rolling it.
I didn't want to roll.
Okay, well that's what I need you to do is roll it.
You didn't say roll.
Yeah, roll like this. Roll and then bring it in.
Roll to outward or inward?
Inward.
Okay. Well, we're going to take my regular one.
Yeah. I wish.
Yeah.
No, see how you're going like this? You're going in like that. Roll and then diffuse. See how I'm kind of taking that brush inwards like that?
Very lightly.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Remember, whenever you blend, you want to go in with a light hand. You don't want to be too heavy of a hand because you're really trying to give it that soft, diffused, beautiful look. Okay, so you can go back in with that middle color on the Kat Von D or just the end one there and just go up to that brow bone, Mom, and just kind of...
Oh, I like that look.
Yeah, just kind of soften that under the eyebrow area.
Yeah, I wonder how you did that.
So you can do that. This is that Morphe brush, inner corner highlight brush I always use.
Do I go to the corner or just...
No, just the middle part. Yeah, there you go. Now if you really wanted to give yourself a little bit more oomph, you could take the nylon, which I think you have that from MAC. Has a little bit more of a gleam to it. You could take that nylon color, pop it in just right in the middle underneath the socket of
Just the middle.
just the middle area.
Oh,
and that
like
just
that
gives that a
look.
little bit of a extra something. Just make sure that it's nice and diffused so there's no lines there. Okay, so you like that? You like using that nylon there?
Yeah, that was nice. I
Okay.
like it. Kind of, that's that look I've been trying to get. I keep telling you.
Yeah.
It makes my eyes feel lighter.
Yeah, it's a good look. Take this It Cosmetics fluffy brush and just blend everything out like that. There. We didn't really use anything that would... Okay, that's good. This feels good though, huh? That, isn't that brush? Give it back to me. Oh my gosh. We're fighting. weapons of mass
Christmas
destruction.
present.
I know, I
Oh,
love
wait.
it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I've created a monster. So we're gonna take that Mr. Two-Face.
Oh, I like this one.
Oh yeah. We're gonna take the Hoola bronzer and we're gonna do some bronzing, which you never do, I know. And you're just gonna kind of, we're doing a natural look, so nothing too dramatic or contoured. Like a number 3. 1, 2, 3.
What a draw.
1, 2, 3. Just like that.
First you did this though.
Yes. But remember what I said about holding your brush. You can do that, but you don't really have to. Don't stipple it. Like you would do a blush. How do you put blush on? No, that's not how you're supposed to. Oh my gosh. Yes, there you go. No, under your chin. Under your chin. You're creating like this, like a jawline. So you're slimming out your face that way. Not like on your
You trying
face.
to have a fat face or something?
Oh, damn, woman.
It's just
Yeah, come on, give it to me,
procedure.
girl.
Goodness gracious. On your hairline, just your hairline.
Oh, that's not a
Yeah.
thing.
Here and there, your jawline. Oh my gosh, she's doing it on her face. Okay, we're trying to go simple with you. Now, because you're getting bored, you can tell, we're just gonna go in with blush. So, this is it, Cosmetics. This is Morphe. They're very similar brushes, angled. Yeah, like that. So, very similar. Here, take that Morphe brush. You're going to take your blush. We're going to use the MAC blush. This one's Modern Mandarin. This is not available online anymore.
Quick question. So this is not my blush. This is my
You could. You could stop right there, and if you want an all-natural look, that's perfect. But I like a little bit more color. So I like going in, just do it lightly, like the apples of your cheek. You could do like a little bit of a smile. And just do the apples. What?
I'm smiling.
Okay, that's enough. Oh my gosh, you're going to go too much. You don't like to use any product on the bottom of your eyes. That's correct. So for her, she's just going to stay like that. I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer and go in with this Morphe pencil brush, like a real small pencil brush. And I'm just going to kind of go underneath the eye and just kind of smoke out that bottom. I just go in with the Hoola again. I'm pretty much using the Hoola for this entire look today.
When I was younger,
Contour.
I used to do that
Oh.
with a brush.
Uh-huh. And just smoke it out a little, just to give it a little something. And then I'm going to take, oh, see, look at, she is going to copy me.
I like it better.
So I'm going to take this Urban Decay, like nude eyeliner, and I'm just going to pop it into the waterline area. And that just opens up your eyes more. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to.
Let me try it.
Just in your waterline. So I'm going to just take that same brush I was using underneath with the Hoola bronzer and just kind of make sure that it's all blended in. Good? Is come closer to me. You're kind of far. So here we go. My mom is not the warm, touchy-feely type. She's more hardcore. So she shows her love in a million other ways. She's just not a very affectionate person, touchy-feely. And I am extremely touchy-feely. Like I am like lovey-dovey. I love you, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we're opposite. So we're done. That's it. That's the entire makeup
I don't
look.
get lips.
Oh, lips. Forgot about lips. Did you make sure, is your lips nice and moisturized? I like to just take some Vaseline in the beginning and just kind of moisturize my lips. My lips are so
Really?
dry.
I could use my finger.
You can use your finger for this one. So I'm just going to have you, so we're not going to go into the whole lip liner and stuff because she will never use that. Just use this Buxom lip crayon. Okay, so now watch me. You're just going to take this lip crayon and just fill in like it's a lipstick. See, my lips are so dry.
Yeah, I like the idea of the Vaseline. Never thought of it. My lips always look real dry when I put my lipstick on.
Well, I used a lip scrub and it's still drying right now.
That's a good trick. Can we use the same one? No germs.
Yeah. Or you really shouldn't do that with friends. So kids, if you're watching, please don't do that. Don't share your mascaras and your lip products. But she's my mom, so I'm gonna. Okay. You have to give yourself a little color. Now we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs lip gloss because you know I love these lip glosses. Just do a little bit in the inside. I just want to make this very simplistic because I know she doesn't want to spend more than 20 minutes on her makeup. Probably not more than 15 minutes. Do you like that?
Yeah. It made the lips a little bit lighter, not so.
This feels really good, huh?
Yeah.
This is the best lip gloss. I love
Better than Vaseline.
I love the Marc
What is
Jacobs. Marc Jacobs lip gloss.
Is it expensive?
It's kind of.
Of course.
Of course, it's Marc Jacobs.
Okay.
We're going to take the Becca highlighter because I feel like with more mature skin, you want to really not texturize any areas. And I feel like the skin perfecting highlighters from Becca Cosmetics are just very, very forgiving to the skin. So we're going to take my Sigma F35 highlighter brush. Oh, sorry, before we do that, just kidding. We're going to take the Morphe spray. I love this setting spray. I like it because it's like hairspray at work, right? You use aerosol hairsprays. I feel like aerosol setting sprays actually work better than the actual pump type.
Oh, because that comes out heavier.
It's going to come out heavier
More
and stronger.
quicker.
Yeah. It's like, it's not so cakey.
How far?
Like there. It's good.
Close my eyes.
Yes, please. That would probably be. Nope, not that far. You're wasting product. On your face, girl.
I got my
No.
eyes closed, can't see.
No, don't go like this. Do it like you're doing a hairspray. That's too much now. Okay. But this just melts all your makeup together. It brings everything together and it gives your face some life again.
See, I'd call that baking.
That's not baking, but okay.
'Cause it's
So
like
I
that.
like to spray first now and then go in with my highlighter because it gives my highlighter a little more bling bling. You know how much I love my bling bling. So I'm going to take that powder and I'm just going to go in right here. Just on the top of the cheekbone area, right there. And I'm going to go in with my nose. You can even go on the high points, kind of where the sun hits your Cupid's bow, even though I would have done this before I did my lip gloss, but that's okay. Oh,
Sure,
sorry.
wow.
That's good. There and there. So when you do your nose, just wiggle it on your nose, the tip of your nose.
Oh, like a little.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta hold it.
No, not tapping it like this. Wiggle it like that.
Wiggle down.
Wiggle, wiggle. All right, guys. So that's it. I think we're all done. Do you like it? Are you happy
like
with
it.
it?
I
Or
like
is
it.
that?
It's an everyday. A lot of things that take long.
Yeah.
I'd have to shorten it.
Yeah.
I'm a 5-minute makeup person.
So, and there's a lot of steps that we could have not done. She doesn't have to do a highlighter.
But I'd like to challenge you
Okay.
to less than 10-minute makeup using my fingers in and out the door.
Comment below if that's what you want to see.
If you do, let us know.
Yes.
Because I can show you quick and easy, but every day for me.
All right.
Using the fingers, not on these brushes, believe me.
I can't imagine just using my fingers on my entire face.
Trust me.
Okay. All right. It's a challenge. It's
challenge.
on.
Down,
It's on. Okay. If you guys want to see that, you need to comment below. If you want to see more videos with this beautiful lady, comment below.
girl. We don't have to.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. If you want to see more videos like that, please don't forget to comment below. I'm so glad I had my mom on the channel today, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please, again, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me at kristiallure on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye!